Hi, I'm Chris Cardona. Join us as we highlight the amazing entertainment, dining, activities, and accommodations on our ultimate tour of the Regal Princess. Coming up on Talking Cruise. Pamper yourself with a relaxing massage, facial, or other treatments at the Lotus Spa and Salon. No matter where you're heading, the staff at the Shore Excursions desk will be able to offer insight into the best tour options. Staffed 24 hours a day, Guest Services is the place to get answers to any questions. Enjoy Italian favorites and an extensive wine list at Sabatini's specialty restaurant. Experience performances, great shopping, food and beverage options in the European style of the Piazza. The International Café serves premium specialty coffees and teas, along with complimentary sandwiches, salads, and desserts. Savor a glass or bottle of wine along with complimentary antipasti and tapas at the Vines Wine Bar. There's no better place to enjoy a beverage than while people watching from the Piazza Bar. Indulge in a cool, sweet treat at the Gelato Bar. Looking to celebrate a special occasion? Visit Celebrations for flowers, balloons, and other gift ideas. At the Internet Cafe, you can log on to Princess Cruises' new Medallion Net, high-speed internet service. The Symphony Dining Room is open for anytime open seating dinner every evening. Be entertained by the top-notch talent of Princess Cruises entertainers in the Princess Theater. If you like a good cigar, the place to go is Churchill's Cigar Lounge. With its full-service bar and in-house DJ spinning the best tunes, Club 6 is the place to dance and mingle with other guests. Roll the dice, play your best hand, or hit the slots, and hope Lady Luck smiles on you at the Princess Casino. A great place for cocktails before or after dinner is Bellini's, located in the Piazza. Alfredo's, a complimentary venue, serves fresh made-to-order pizza, salads, and other Italian dishes. Oceanfront is your one-stop shop for everything Ocean Medallion. Get answers to your questions and purchase accessories. View and purchase your cruise photos, cameras, and accessories at the photo gallery. The Concerto dining room is open for breakfast, lunch, and anytime open seating dinner every evening. The Allegro dining room is open for traditional early or late seating dinner every evening. Located within a special section of the Allegro dining room, Chef's Table Lumiere is a multi-course culinary adventure. The art gallery has pieces and collections from some of the world's top artists that are open for bidding during the onboard auctions. Shop for some of your favorite brands in the duty-free Shops of Princess. If you love seafood, make sure to stop by the Ocean Terrace Seafood Bar with a selection of sushi, sashimi, oysters, and more. Crooners Bar offers great drinks with lively nightly entertainment. Before the action starts, grab refreshments at the Princess Live Café. Be part of a live television studio experience featuring culinary shows, concerts, and comedy at Princess Live. The Crown Grill is Princess Cruises' signature steakhouse, featuring premium steaks, seafood, and wonderful desserts. The nautical-themed Wheelhouse Bar is the perfect place to enjoy a beverage or listen to music before or after dinner at the adjacent Crown Grill. Get into a good book at the Cozy Library. The Vista Lounge hosts many events and performances by guest entertainers. What's better than pizza by the pool? Enjoy daily varieties at Prego Pizzeria. Mermaid's Tail Bar is a casual spot to have a drink and even watch a movie or sporting event on the large outdoor screen. Trident Grill is ready to serve up hot dogs, hamburgers, and chicken sandwiches during the day and barbecue on select evenings. Refresh in one of the two pools with shallow areas to just cool off. The Watercolor Fantasy Show is a mix of dancing fountains, lights, and pulsating music. Extending over the side of the ship, the SeaView Bar offers great views, drinks, and the flair of the bartender's tricks. Take a stroll over the SeaWalk, perched 28 feet beyond the ship's side, and get a dizzying view through the glass floor of the ocean 128 feet below. Get a soft serve cone adorned with your favorite toppings at Swirls. The Horizon Court and Bistro offer plentiful food options daily in an upscale buffet-style restaurant. Located inside the Horizon Bistro, the pastry shop has tempting treats throughout the day. The Outrigger Bar offers specialty margaritas and wonderful views off the fantail of the ship. Located all the way forward, the Sanctuary is a premium charge adult-only enclave with plush loungers, daybeds, and available cabanas and spa treatments. The retreat pool area is for all adult guests and features a nice relaxing space and cabanas available for rental. Teens 13 to 17 will love their very own beachy cool hangout at the Beach House. Kids 8 to 12 will have a blast in the Lodge, an outdoors themed space with spots to get comfortable and games to keep them entertained. For the youngest guests, 3 to 7, the Treehouse is a forest-themed space offering hands-on activities and hidden surprises. The well-equipped fitness center has something for guests at all fitness levels. Make your own waves while you'll take in the views of the ship's wake from the Terrace pool. Take in the latest movies, concerts, or sporting events at the Movies Under the Stars giant screen. Get in your laps on the 2-lane jogging track. Princess Sports Central offers table tennis, a driving range, and sports court. The upper level of Princess Sports Central has a grassy area designed for putting, bocce ball, croquet, and lawn bowling. Interior staterooms range from 166 to 177 square feet, sleep up to 4 guests, and have a standard bathroom with shower. Balcony staterooms are 181 square feet, sleep up to 4 guests, and have a standard bathroom with shower and 41 square foot balcony. Deluxe Balcony staterooms range from 208 to 292 square feet, sleep up to 4 guests, and have a sitting area, standard bathroom with shower, and 41 square foot balcony. Mini suites range from 263 to 293 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests, have a sitting area, bathroom with tub, and 36 to 105 square foot balcony. Premium suites are 554 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests, feature a separate sleeping and sitting area, receive special enhanced amenities, and have a bathroom with tub and shower and 69 square foot balcony. Penthouse suites are 429 to 524 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests, feature a separate sleeping and sitting area, receive special enhanced amenities, and have a bathroom with tub and shower and 158 square foot wraparound balcony. Thank you for watching this ship tour. Don't forget to like this video, post your comments and questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.